Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy automatic sugarcane farm in Minecraft. All the materials will be listed in the description below. To get started, break the ground, place in your double chest, break 5 blocks behind the chest, a hopper looking into the chest, 2 hoppers on the side of the hopper, and do the same on the other side. Place in your mud blocks above the hoppers, place 3 blocks on each side. Come behind the mud blocks and place a row of blocks. Place in your water. Place in a line of blocks above the water. Place in your pistons. Come behind and place your observers so that their faces are looking outwards. Place 5 blocks behind the pistons. 5 redstone dust on top of the blocks. Now just raise the wall up so that it's 4 high on both sides. Place 2 blocks on either sides like so. Grab a stair or any transparent block and place it above the chest. This is so that you can actually still access the chest. Then place a row of glass blocks, 3 high, like so. Then grab your sugarcane and place it on all the mud blocks. You can then grab some slabs and fill in the roof. And that's all there is to it. You can make it as high as you want or as long as you want. You can also make it double-sided. When the sugarcane grows up to the observers will trigger the pistons, breaking the sugarcane, which will then be sucked into the hoppers below, into the chest. For an example of the farm in action, I will increase the random tick speed to 1000, and you can watch as the sugarcane grows and be broken by the pistons. All the sugarcane will then be collected in this chest. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.